What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Nia Lashae. Today I have a swatch video of the Twinkle Dreams collection. If you would like to see that, just keep on watching. Alrighty, so this is the box that it came in, and these are the names right here. I did win a giveaway from watching their live, so thankfully I got this entire collection for free. Look at God. But yeah, this is the box. Super cute. One thing I can say is that I love the bottles. Like, the bottles are just so cute. Like, you know, the circle the circular shape is it's really cute. I like it. And I like how this look on the inside, so I had to pull it out to show y'all, because you know it's Pride Month. They got the rainbow going on. But yeah, this is the bottle. It has the name on it. This is the back. You know, typical stuff that would be on your gel polish bottle. So yeah, this is how it looks straight out of the bottle. If you know me, you know I love me some glitter, honey. And these, like, y'all need to stop what you're doing after you're watching this video and go get this collection. Like, it's literally so good. This is just one coat, but even just with one coat, it's still so pretty. And it's like the flash gel, so you know when you take a picture with flash, it has like the reflectiveness to it or whatever. I didn't even know that at first, but it says it on the bottle, and I was like, oh my gosh. Like, that just made me love them even more, because like without that, they're still pretty. Like, so gorgeous. But yeah, this is how it looks with just one coat. I'm gonna hold it up against my skin and then hold it up against a white background so you guys can see it a little bit better. Honestly, I know I like pink, but I think this one is my favorite because it's like the shade of purple it is, and then the fact that it has the pink reflex in it is just so pretty. It's like the best of both worlds. Like that on a kawaii set. Oh my gosh, chef's kiss. But yeah, this is one coat, and this is two coats, and this is two coats on my skin. So freaking pretty. And then this is with the light off, and I have the flash on my phone on. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know down in the comments what is your favorite color, and if you're going to go get this collection, which I do highly recommend, because you know summer's coming up, and baby, these shades are a must-have. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay sweet and stay blessed. Bye.